local bus. There's another bus coming into Nambour. Delightful all over, appetising. I'm immediately in front of the Nambour Tramway depot, which I think will be closed, nothing in it. You could say disappointing. It's been years that they've been trying to develop this. It's kangaroo bus lines in Nambour. Just a look at the tram line, the so-called tram line going down the street. It used to be a sugarcane line, and used to go around here where the tram line now is supposed to be located, and goes up to the depot. We'll take another view of that in a moment, just one more view. But really, in fact, you can see it from here. It is an urban setting. It is years in development. I came here, I think, in 2020. No tram. 2021, no tram. Now we're in towards the end of 2022 and no tram. Take another look at this. The line you see here that ends abruptly at the footpath used to operate into the depot. You see it's not connected to this line. They built a brand new line for the tramway. Built it up here into this depot. Now I'm a train and tram enthusiast, and I can assure you that this is one of the most disappointing and ill-advised projects I've ever seen. It's called a Make Work project. I don't know what work it made. Here we are again, 2-foot gauge. 3 tracks into the depot. And I think I'll just call this the non-tramway. No one knows if or when it's ever going to get started.